Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect to JBL Authentics 200 by an iPhone. To connect to it, first download an app from from App Store called JBL One. Download it. And then press on open. Press on allow, accept, get started. Now allow, and click on allow to allow location, allow while using app. And now it should be discovering your device, and it should display your device's name. If it doesn't, try going to settings and click on add new product. You should see here in nearby product JBL Authentics 200. Then click on the heart icon if you hear the sound from the correct speaker. Now it's connected. Enter the Wi-Fi password. Press on connect. And now it should begin connecting and checking for updates. Then press on done. You can set up Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, or click on later to set it up later. And now you're connected. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.